Claude just finished, and he ran close to 80 different tool calls to set this all up. Welcome, rules, and he even pinned messages, announcements, everybody on Squad here. And there's been a lot of people that I've been seeing trying to set up Discord servers, and I just wanted to showcase my Discord MCP server. So let me just show you quickly. So this is my Discord MCP server. It is open source on GitHub. Currently about 21 stars. If you end up using this, just go ahead, throw a star on it. It's also it's also on npm as well, and there's a one command install. So to install this MCP server, you can of course clone the repo directly, or you can install it through npm. So I'm going to just do that. I'm going to copy this one command, and I'm going to open up my command prompt, and I just have a folder for this demo called Discord MCP demo. I'm going to open my command prompt in there, and we'll just paste that command in there. So it has downloaded the MCP server and is starting the install. I was going to ask you some questions. Do you already have a Discord bot? You can say yes or no here, and if you say no, it'll actually ask you, or it'll guide you through it. I'm just going to say yes, I do have one, and it's asking to paste your bot token. Actually, let's do this. So here is the MCP server when it started after it's downloaded. It's going to guide you through this. So it's asking, do you have a Discord bot? I'm going to say no. So it guides me through the whole process. Now it gives you the steps to go to the developer's console and create a new application. So I actually have the developer console open in this tab here. So we'll go ahead in here and we'll click on create at the top. And we're just going to click create blank app. And for this, we will call it MCP demo. Yes, I'm a human. Great. So we have it there now. And we'll just follow the steps along here. All right, so we're going to go to the bot tab, click reset token and copy it. So now we have our token and we can copy it. Press enter when you have your token. We'll press enter, paste your token. So since I copied it, all I'm going to do is right click here and paste it in and then press enter. Required bot intent in the developer portal, click the bot tab and enable server members intent and message content intent. So we scroll down that same tab, server members intent. We're going to just click the tab over there and message content intent. This is going to allow you the MCP server to be able to manage members and manage content, so messages and such. And we'll click save and we'll press enter. So it authenticated the token for me. And here you can give it different permissions. So if you want to get granular, you can. I'm just going to give it administrator because this is going to be just a test server for me. And for the most of the times, giving it administrator is not a problem. Just make sure you keep your token secure. And after this demo, we're going to be disabling that token. So I'm not too concerned about it. All right, so bot is not in any servers yet, and it's giving us this URL. But what I first actually need to do for this demo is actually I need to create a new blank server. So all the way on the bottom, I'll click add server, create my own for me and my friends. And we'll call it, let me pop this out for a second, and we will call it MCP demo. We'll create it. Perfect. So now we have a brand new blank server. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually click on this invite URL. And what that's going to do is going to open this up in your Discord to invite that bot we just created into the server. And since I had that server already opened, we'll continue, authorize it. And now you can see here there's two people on the server. One is an app. That's the MCP demo. So let's go back to our terminal. Press enter after inviting. Found one server. And at this point, it's going to try to install the MCP server into the detected agents you have installed, coding agents. Which clients you want to configure. And we just press enter there. It's for Claude Code. Perfect. So let's do this now. Now I'm working in Claude Flow just as a test. So you guys, now remember, you can open up Claude Code in any terminal, but I'm going to use it here because I can have my Discord here as well. And let's just confirm MCP and let's see if we can see it. Let's actually restart. And you'll see here it says new MCP server found in this project. Use this MCP server. So yes. So now if we do m/mcp, we will see Discord and it is connecting, and now it is connected. Perfect. So we can press escape to restart. Okay, let's double check here under MCP. Since we started a new terminal, Discord is still connected. can you send a message in the general chat just to test the MCP server? We're going to ask Claude here to do that. I'll help you test the Discord MCP by sending a message to the general chat. And there you can see it now. MCP test message from the MCP service. Everything's working. Yes, it is. Perfect. All right, so what I'm going to do is ask Claude here to basically configure this entire server for me. And let's see how it goes. Claude, I want you to configure this entire server for me. It is currently a blank server, so we don't have to worry about saving anything or making sure everything.
We can basically just delete everything if we wanted to. But what I want you to do is configure this server for a vibe coding lab community with a very scientist and crazy scientist vibe to it. I want you to create the typical intro channels, and I want you to create admin channels for Discord safety, create all the roles for it as well, and make typical text channels and a few voice channels that are on theme for this as well. And I want you to create actually roles too, and you can assign appropriate permissions to those roles. Make the roles on theme to the mad scientist vibe. And I think that's basically everything I want in there. Oh, I'm going to actually add one more thing. On most of the channels that you create, I want you to post a message in there saying what that channel is for. Or if it's like a rules channel specifically, then post rules in that channel. And I want you to, on these messages, I want you to make them look as pretty as possible using the embed, an embed message instead of a normal message. And also for all the roles, make sure everything just looks pretty with special colors and maybe emojis. And you can do that across the board for all the channels and other things like that too.
So that's our basic prompt. What I also like to do, and this is just with Claude in general, not just the Discord MCP server, but I like to tell it one more special thing. If you have any questions for me, then go ahead and use the question tool to ask me those questions specifically, and then I'll answer them for you. I also want you to think through different other things that should be set up on this server that I didn't really mention that would be typical on a Discord setup. All right, so we'll send that, and now we'll just wait and see what he does. He says he loves this project. Should I rename the server and give it a mad scientist theme identity? Sure. Yes, and you pick. That's fine for now. Of course, if it's your server, then leave the name. How ambitious should the full build be? Full lab. Yes. How should new members enter the lab? Verify gate, new join, sees welcome, rules only, React verify unlocks full lab. Sure. Let's give it a shot. I don't know if it'll actually do that because it might need an actual bot for that. Self-assigned roles, scaffold it, set up a channel. We can scaffold it, but I'm not sure again. We'll see what Claude does for us because typically you would need an actual bot to do things like that. Now this is an MCP demo bot, but there's no actual application behind it other than the MCP server. And we're not going to have Claude just running 24/7 verifying members. So he might make some placeholder for us, and then later on you would have to install an actual app or bot to control those things. But we'll see what he does. Claude just finished, and he ran close to 80 different tool calls to set this all up. Well, let's just take a quick look, glance over. So you see he made a welcome rules, and he even pinned messages, announcements, introductions, lab general. He made voice chambers with different voice channels. He made staff only channels. Of course, I can see this because I'm the server owner. You can see it if we right click myself and look at roles. He made all these different nice roles with different colors, front end alchemist, design chemist, and so on. It looks like there's a role for me in there, the head scientist. Let's actually ask him to assign that to myself. Oh, and also let's see in his message here, the one honest limitation, the verification role lab reactions are placed, but this MCP bot can't run live reaction role automation. So right now, a lab technician assigns the roles when someone reacts. If you want full automation, you'd add a dedicated reaction role bot, Corobot, Me6, etc. I'm sure if you ask Claude, he'll even help you set those things up as well. But let's go ahead and do this. Hey, Claude, can you set my role to the head scientist? So we'll let him run that. So all these roles, they're set up with permissions too. So if we look at server settings and go to our roles, and if we look at any one of these permissions, you can see view channels, create expressions. So he configured all this for us. And you can see here actually in each of these channels, you need at the very least the researcher role in to view all these channels. And that's that verification. So if you're not verified in the server and you don't have that verified role or the researcher role at the very least, you can't see any of the channels. So let's see, done, Claude H, you're now the head scientist. And look, oh, I am the head scientist. And you even configure the roles to show differently on the right side here. So that's awesome. Made our staff, mod logs, Discord safety. So this is where the Discord safety messages will go. And our server, I would say it's ready. We can start inviting people, and that's basically it. So if you guys have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comment if you think this was helpful. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. If you want to see another channel or another video about Claude doing something else, just let me know what you want to see and I'll make that for you. I hope you guys have a good day. Enjoy the MCP server and I'll see you on the next one.